Hi students, now we learn 4th standard social studies subject, lesson 1, Northern Mountain. The topic is life in the Himadri region. Let's see the answer key of previous session. Question 1, name 4 mountain ranges of the Trans-Himalayan range. The answer is that first, Karakoram range, second, Pir Panjal range, third, the Zaskar range, the fourth, the Kailash range. The second answer, the Trans-Himalayan ranges lies beyond the Indus River. Question third, name 4 hills of Purvanchal range hills. Answer is that one Garo, second is Khasi, third is Jaintia, and fourth is Naga. Last question 4, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. So correct your answer and understand it. So let's start our new session, that is life in Himadri region. The Himadri region is a very cold throughout the year because here you can see that the Himadri region is spread with the ice or snow, because snowfall is continuously there like rain. So that's why this region is very cold. This makes it very difficult for people and animals to live here. So we can see that very few animals and few people live there because the temperature is very cold. So it is very difficult to live there. Understand why the temperature is very cold? Because snow is fall there continuously. That's why the temperature is cold and the mountains are always covered with the snow. So life in the Himadri region, there are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim lies in this region. So which part of India are present in the Himadri region? The first is that Jammu and Kashmir, second is Ladakh, third is the parts of Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim. So are belong to the Himadri region. Which famous lakes are present in the Jammu and Kashmir? The answer is that Wular and the Dal. So Wular lakes and the Dal lakes are the two famous lakes in the Jammu and Kashmir. So remember these names. So here people in the Jammu and Kashmir, so people live in houseboats. You can see that this is a boat in which house is built, and second is the shikaras. So their houseboats and shikaras are found in Jammu and Kashmir. So tourism is the main source of income in this region. You know, all over part of the world, and Indian people travel to the Jammu and Kashmir to see the beauty of nature. So Jammu and Kashmir is called the heaven on the earth. Understand? Next, the people of the state keep the kangri. Do you know what is this kangri? A small pot. So you can see that this is a kangri is a small pot and with a burning coal. You can see that in that kangri there is a burning coal. Under the loose outer garment, you know that in the Jammu and Kashmir, the temperature is very low, and you can see that ice or snow is spread on the ground also. To get protection from the cold, they use a device or a pot that is called kangri. So in that kangri they keep the burning coal, and this kangri is placed under the garment, under the loose outer garments to keep themselves warm. Understand? So kangri is very useful to the Kashmir people to make them warm in this very cold temperature. So remember this pot. So which two festivals are celebrated in this region? So there are two main festivals are celebrated. One is the Eid and second is the Shivratri. Understand? So these are the two festivals, main festivals are celebrated here, Eid and Shivratri. And tribes, which types of people, species or the tribes or the different kinds of people live there? There are three main tribes who live in a forest area. One is that Lepcha, second is Bhutia, and third is Nepali. So name the main tribes of this region. Three. One is the Lepcha, second is the Bhutia, and third is the Nepali. Remember the names of these tribes. And here in the Sikkim area, women in Sikkim wear a long skirt. You can think that this is a skirt which is very long. So this long skirt is called Baku. So what is my Baku? Baku is the long skirt that is worn by the woman in Sikkim. Okay, and this area or this place is famous for its orchid. Do you know that apple and other fruits that we get available from these mountain regions. So group expedition, this is the activity you have to learn. Work in a group and find out the information about the climatic condition and the life of people living in the mountain region. So this is the mountain region area. So here we have to make the group, you have to work in group and find out the information about the climatic, means how is the weather, what is the temperature, and how is the rainfall or the snowfall there, how much humidity is there, wind speed is there. So this climatic condition you have to you have to collect the information, and apart from that you have to collect the information about the people who are living in that and how they are living and how they adjust according to this cold environment. So this is your group activity. So discuss with your classmates and find out the more information. So this is our achievement we learn in this session. So learning at home, so you have to learn this answer at home and write the answers. First question is that write any two names of famous lakes in Jammu and Kashmir. Second question, name three main tribes of Sikkim. Third, dash and dash are main festivals in this region. Women in Sikkim wear a long skirt called dash. Okay, learn it and write it. Thank you.